Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to preserve green beans. First, understand that proper preparation is key to successful preservation, whether you choose freezing, canning, or dehydrating. Each method offers unique benefits, from maintaining fresh flavor to ensuring long-term shelf stability. We'll cover the essential steps for each technique, ensuring your harvest lasts well beyond the growing season. Get ready to enjoy your green beans all year round with these simple, effective methods. Freezing is an excellent way to keep green beans tasting fresh. Begin by trimming the ends and washing your beans thoroughly. Next, blanch them in boiling water for exactly 3 minutes, then immediately plunge them into ice water to halt the cooking process. This step is crucial for preserving their vibrant color and crisp texture. Once cooled, drain them well and pack them into freezer-safe bags, removing as much air as possible before sealing. Label and freeze for up to 1 year. For long-term, shelf-stable storage, pressure canning is the safest method for green beans. Start by washing and snapping your beans into 1-inch pieces. Pack them tightly into hot, sterilized canning jars, leaving 1 inch of headspace. You can add 1 teaspoon of salt per quart jar for flavor, though it's optional for safety. Process the jars in a pressure canner at the recommended pressure for your altitude for 25 minutes for quart jars, ensuring proper sealing and safety. Beyond freezing and canning, you can also dehydrate green beans, which removes moisture for a lightweight, compact storage option. Pickling is another fantastic way to preserve them, creating a delicious, tangy product perfect for snacks or side dishes. Remember to always store your preserved beans in a cool, dark place to maintain their quality and extend their shelf life. For more great deals and to find the Echo Dot smart speaker, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.